Python user-defined function. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. It means we can create it and it will be inside the application until we need it. Like I need a fork to eat yam. It's on when I need fork I need to eat yam I get fork. If I need to cut meat I need to call for knife and so on. So you can pass data known as parameters into function. The function can return data as a result of what we pass in the parameter. Now, how do we define function? We use def to define a function. The def will have a function name, then with a bracket, then the colon, then the statements here. So whenever we need to call it, we'll do something like this. Call it a function. I said function name. We'll call it and it's going to execute what we want to run. So let's go ahead. Alright, sorry, this is a bit complicated. Alright. Okay, so we define, we say there, I want to say a function like add number into bracket. Then I said print this function will print will output added numbers. So we're done. So the call this. I'll set add none. So this now running. Now this function will output. So anytime I create a function, I will need to call it for use. So the next thing is, let's work on this particular one. Let's say we have x equals to 20 and y equals to 25. Then z equals to x plus y. So what do we want to do? We want to do something like print z for me. Right? And this is a function. Now, to call this function here again, should call the function here. We said this function will output added number 45. So we add 20 to 25. So this out to get a function. So we have a function with parameter. We have a parameter inside the bracket. If we do that, then we print. Let's say we print like this. Print. Let's have something like my name is. So we're gonna have comment. We have f name. Alright. Next is to call the function. name is called it. So I run it to call it again. Name give me the result. So that's how to create our function.